If you have ever wanted to turn one long video into a steady stream of short, scroll-stopping clips without losing your mind, you need to stick around. I'm going to show you how I use Vizard to create a whole week of social media posts in just a few minutes, completely stress-free. Whether you are trying to promote a specific product, grow your channel, or simply stop spending hours editing every single clip, this is for you. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Dapo, and on this channel, I explore AI tools, content hacks, and smart growth strategies. If that is your vibe, hit subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials, and smash that like button if this helps you out today. First, we need to clarify that Vizard is not a generative animation tool that creates new footage from scratch, but rather a powerful editor for existing content. It acts like an AI editor that finds the most engaging moments from your raw footage and turns them into ready-to-post clips in seconds. This saves you from the tedious work of hiring an editor or manually trimming every single highlight for your different social platforms. While generative video tools have their place, they are often not built for batch processing hours of podcast footage or long lecture recordings. Vizard is built entirely around an efficient workflow. You simply upload your file, let the AI edit it, tweak the details, and schedule your posts. That specific workflow is the secret to saving dozens of hours every single week while maintaining a consistent online presence. Getting started is simple, as you can use your phone browser or a laptop to head over to their website and sign up. If you want to make it feel like a native app, just download the web app shortcut to your phone home screen for quick access. I personally recommend using the Google sign-in option for speed, and there are free tiers to help you test the platform. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the upload button to select your long video, whether it is a webinar, a podcast, or a raw live stream. The software handles most common formats automatically, so you do not need to worry about re-encoding your files before you upload. After your file is uploaded, hit the auto edit button to let the AI scan the entire video for viral potential and high engagement moments. The algorithm is designed to find those specific peaks, like big laughs or clear value statements, rather than just cutting random chunks of time. You will immediately see thumbnails and suggested crop lengths, meaning you do not have to guess what might perform best on social media. Do not worry if the first pass is not perfect, because the platform gives you simple controls to tweak every single detail. You can change the start and end times, adjust the aspect ratio for different platforms, and even fix the audio levels instantly. Since accurate captions are non-negotiable for social media, the auto-generated subtitles will save you a massive amount of time. One of my favorite features is the auto-schedule tool, which lets you queue up your posts for days or even weeks in advance. The content calendar allows you to drag and drop your clips, ensuring you have a consistent flow of content across all your platforms. If you are running a promo for a new product, you can plan the entire campaign in one place and let the AI handle the posting. Let us be honest about other tools, as many promise flashy features but fail to solve the actual time drain of editing and scheduling. Vizard is uniquely designed for scale, giving you batch clip generation and a proper calendar that helps you publish consistently. On the edit screen, you will find a timeline where you can scrub through the video and an editor panel to refine your crops. You can also use the boost function to tell the AI to prioritize moments with high conversational intensity or really strong hooks. For publishing, simply link your social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube through the Integrations tab. Having everything in one platform means you are far less likely to miss a post or accidentally duplicate content across channels. My first tip is to batch everything, so upload a whole month of content at once and generate 20 clips in one go. Secondly, edit your captions early, because subtitles are the first thing people read, so make those hooks snappy. Use the calendar to group similar topics together so your audience knows exactly what to expect from you each week. Always keep the original long video in your archive, as the platform references that master file for any future edits you might need. People always ask if the AI is truly magic, and while it is not, it is incredibly solid at finding those emotional peaks. The best strategy is to review the AI picks and then add your own human judgment to ensure the context is perfect. Sometimes, you will find a subtle moment the AI missed, and it only takes 30 seconds to create that killer clip manually. Pricing is the final point, as these paid tiers are aimed at creators who really want to scale their content production. When you compare this to the cost of hiring a freelance editor or spending your own time, it usually pays for itself very quickly. To wrap up, if you want a steady stream of clips without the heavy lifting, this is a platform worth trying today. Upload your long video, let the AI pick your highlights, tweak the clips, and schedule them out for consistent growth. Drop a comment below with the type of videos you usually create, and I will share a few clip templates that work best for you. Like this video if it helped, share it with a friend who is drowning in raw footage, and subscribe for more tips. I will catch you in the next one, and good luck with your content.